Hey guys, it's Candice and welcome back to my channel. Here are 4 Valentine's Day nail art ideas that we'll get into right now. First up is this red and white polka dot look, and to prepare for this one, you can dab a bit of white nail polish onto a piece of paper towel. This is what you're going to use to dip the dotting tool in to create the polka dot pattern. Alternatively, you can use a bobby pin to create the dots as well. So when I do this design, I start in the center of the nail and keep a mostly even distance between each dot and continue this process to cover the entire nail. When you apply your top coat, be careful not to drag the brush over the design, otherwise the pattern might get smudged. Instead, use quick and light brush strokes. To help with this, I use the Zoya Glossy Seal top coat because it has a light brush and it creates an even layer once applied. So for this color block design, you'll need a piece of tape and place it in the center of the nail and press down firmly. Now before applying the tape though, I do recommend applying a top coat to your base color. This will prevent lifting of the color later on when you're ready to peel off the tape. After you've applied a few coats of the second color, make sure the nail polish is mostly dry before peeling off the tape. Next, take your dotting tool or your bobby pin and keep adding dots going up the center of your nail until they cover the line that separates the two colors. This third design is the glitter gradient, and it requires no tools at all, just your favorite glitter, nail polish, and top coat. So before adding your glitter, I highly recommend applying one layer of base coat. This will provide a stickier surface for the glitter to grip onto later on. If you end up with too much glitter here, you can always go back and drag some of that glitter down towards the cuticle using your brush. For this marble design, you'll need at least 3 nail polish colors and a piece of plastic wrap. Once you've added a few drops of each polish onto the plastic wrap, smudge them all together and apply the mix onto each nail. And then I wanted to share my favorite top coat for Valentine's Day. This one is called Rose Petals by Starly. This polish to me creates such a romantic vibe, especially layered over black nail polish. Best of all, it's super quick and easy to use. I'll have a link to this polish in the description box if you'd like to check it out. Anyways guys, thanks so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Meet me down in the comments and let me know your favorite look from this video. As always, stay healthy, stay safe, and have a happy and wonderful Valentine's Day. Bye!